you ever wonder how a tenant actually lives before they move into your house? You don't have to wonder. Just go see. That's what I do. I'm Monique Burns. My husband and I buy houses in Detroit. We renovate them. I go find the tenant and I go see how they live in their current rental before they rent mine. And then we sell the houses to investors from all over the country and all over the world. And what I do is in the application process, while I'm talking to them, I say, hey, by the way, I'm going to come over and see how you live. I don't hide it. Some landlords are uncomfortable with that, and they say, I'm bringing you some paperwork to sign. But I tell them exactly why. It's how they're going to treat my house, and that's important. And when I go to the house, they're very cordial. They show me room to room. I'm suspending all judgment because judge them for what? The only thing we're allowed to judge for is how we're going to be affected financially. And I decide whether or not I'm going to rent to them. So if this is a service that you want from your property manager, this is something you would want to pay extra for. This is not normal that people go do this. But if it's your own property too, I highly recommend it. Don't be afraid of it. It's really just the right thing to do.